Hi, this is PrintFix ID. Are you getting communication error 20107 when resetting your Epson printer? Don't worry, this problem is usually easy to fix and I'll show you exactly how. First, unplug the USB cable from your printer. Now, go back to your computer and close the error message window completely. Once that's done, plug the USB cable back into the printer. Make sure it's connected properly and avoid using a USB hub if possible. After reconnecting the cable, open the reset tool again. Click Initialize, then press OK to start the reset process again. In many cases, this simple reconnection refreshes the communication and the reset will continue normally. If the process completes successfully, you should see a confirmation message. Once the reset is successful, turn off your printer. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on to complete the process. After restarting, your printer should be ready to use again.